Discover the genius of Steve Jobs. Steve Jobs was a co-founder, visionary, and influential figure in the world of technology and business. Here is a detailed explanation of his life, career, and impact. Early life. Steve Paul Jobs was born on February 24, 1955, in San Francisco, California, and was adopted shortly after his birth. He grew up in Mountain View, California, a region that would later become known as Silicon Valley. Jobs developed an early interest in electronics and technology, often tinkering with machines and experimenting with various projects. Co-founding Apple. In 1976, Steve Jobs co-founded Apple Computer Incorporated. With his friend Steve Wozniak and Ronald Wayne. The Apple I, their first product, was a personal computer that laid the foundation for Apple's future success. Key milestones at Apple. Steve Jobs was a driving force behind the development of the Macintosh computer, introduced in 1984. The Macintosh revolutionized the personal computer industry with its graphical user interface. In 1985, Jobs left Apple due to internal conflicts. He then founded Next Incorporated, a computer company. In 1986, he acquired the computer graphics division of Lucasfilm Limited, which would become Pixar Animation Studios. Pixar later created some of the most successful animated films in history. In 1996, Apple acquired Next, and Steve Jobs returned to the company as an advisor. Under Jobs' leadership, Apple introduced a series of groundbreaking products, including the iMac, iPod, iPhone, and iPad, which transformed the company into a technology and design powerhouse. iPod, iPhone, and iPad era. The iPod, released in 2001, revolutionized the music industry by offering a sleek and user-friendly way to carry and listen to digital music. The iPhone, introduced in 2007, completely reshaped the smartphone industry, merging phone, music player, and computer functions into a single device. The iPad, released in 2010, popularized the tablet computer and created a new product category. Innovative design and user experience. One of Jobs' significant contributions was his emphasis on design and user experience. He believed in creating products that were not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. His attention to detail and perfectionism resulted in Apple products known for their sleek and minimalist design. Legacy. Steve Jobs passed away on October 5, 2011, after battling pancreatic neuroendocrine tumor, a rare form of pancreatic cancer. He left behind a lasting legacy as a technology pioneer, visionary, and entrepreneur. Apple continued to thrive after his passing, maintaining its position as one of the world's most valuable and influential technology companies. Jobs' impact on design, innovation, and business philosophy continues to be studied and admired by entrepreneurs and leaders worldwide. Steve Jobs is remembered for his ability to disrupt industries, his uncompromising pursuit of excellence, and his ability to foresee and create products that change the way people interact with technology. His life and work continue to serve as an inspiration to those in the fields of technology and business.